The greatest reformer in Iranian history was destroyed by the very democracy he created. It's 1951, Tehran, Iran. A passionate lawyer becomes prime minister through free elections, promising to end foreign control. British companies take 85% of Iran's oil profits while Iranians live in poverty. He watches tankers leave loaded with wealth that should build schools and hospitals. He nationalized the oil industry, kicks out British executives, and gives control back to his people. Crowds dance in the streets as Iranian flags fly over the refineries. For 2 years, he is the hero of the developing world. But in Washington and London, secret meetings begin. The CIA and British intelligence craft Operation Ajax, recruiting military officers and paying street thugs. On August 19th, tanks roll through Tehran as bought protesters fill the squares. His loyal guards surrender, and he's arrested in his own home. The Shah returns to power, oil flows back to foreign companies, and democracy dies for 25 years. The man who gave Iran its voice was Mohammad Mossadegh.